The lockdown is making us crave for some good food, travel, and lots of adventure. While that is still going to remain a distant dream for now, we decided to take a look at giving you a virtual experience of places where you can get some amazing food. But for that, you have to be up for some adventure. Some of these can be dangerous too. So if you are ready to stomach the challenge, you will surely be satiated. Welcome to Simply Curious. Today we're taking a look at some of the most extreme restaurants in the world. Number 10. Tripod Dining in Thailand. The Soneva Kiri Eco Resort has a tripod dining option, and this has to be on my bucket list now. They say that you get all types of Peter Pan feels when you are suspended in a tripod overlooking amazing sights, along with a delish meal. Not only that, it seems that you will be able to take in the sounds of a Thailand rainforest with the best seats in the house, of course. I'm surely ready for this right away. Number 9. Ristorante Grotta Palazzis, Puglia, Italy. Wow, this place looks enchanted. This restaurant has a terrace created inside a natural cave. The Grotta Palazzis restaurant takes its name from the homonymous cave and from the place that was also once called Grotta di Palazzo. Records and paintings show that the location hosted gatherings as far back as 1700. Today's diners can enjoy traditional Apuglian cuisine at tables overlooking the Adriatic Sea or set back on the terrace with views into the large central grotto. Number 8. The Rock, Zanzibar, Tanzania. The postcard beaches of Zanzibar are known for their peerless white sand and crystal seas. Oh man, I so wish I could travel right now. But since 2010, it is also known for one of the world's most unusual dining experiences. The Rock restaurant sits on top of an isolated beach on Zanzibar's southeast coast. When the tide is out, it is accessible by foot, but when the tide is in, diners can either wade or wait for a boat. The beauty of the small thatched structure apparently floating on the sea surface makes it one of the most picturesque restaurants. Number 7. Muru Pop Down Restaurant. This unique restaurant is located in Lohja, Finland. So what makes this restaurant unique is the fact that it is located 280 feet below the ground. It is set in a mine and guests are taken underground in a lift. You can experience what it's like to be below the earth, but if you are claustrophobic, you may not be able to last a minute here. Number 6. Dinner in the Sky. People usually suggest enjoying adventure rides on an empty stomach because the motion and the height can make you sick. But what would you say to eating while being suspended in the air? The thought of it makes me squeamish. Based in Brussels, Belgium, guests can rent the 22-seater table suspended 150 feet in the air. While this gives you a perfect 360-degree view of the surroundings, the setup is carried by a 200-ton crane. So are you willing to risk it? Dinner in the Sky has mobile services available in 15 nations, including cities like Paris and Vegas. Recently, Bengaluru launched an adventure dining restaurant called Fly Dining. I sure want to check it out, but I'm not sure I will like it. Number 5. Lainio Snow Village Ice Restaurant. Sculpted in one of the ice hotels in Kittilä, Finland, this restaurant is literally made of ice. There's no dress code here, so you better be dressed to stay warm, as temperatures can go as low as 23 and 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, food is also served cold, and to top it all, the chairs, the tables, and the walls are sculpted out of ice. So get ready for one chilling experience. Number 4. The Etha Undersea Restaurant. Being underwater is a surreal experience, but not for those who are claustrophobic or those who may be worried about getting submerged 16 feet below sea level. Situated on Conrad Maldives' Rangali Island, This might be the first underwater restaurant in the world. Built out of acrylic material, this restaurant is in the shape of a tunnel, offering a 270-degree view of the ocean with plenty of sharks. Number 3, the Marsden Grotto. Locally known as the Grotto, this is one of the very few cave bars in Europe. Located on the coast at Marsden in South Shields, England, it is partly dug into the cliff face, while the front is more of a conventional building. There are several tales of ghosts at the grotto, the more popular one being of a smuggler named John the Gibber, who was murdered by his fellow criminals for selling information. It is said that he was hung in a barrel and left to starve. And there are also stories that the landlord would leave out a special tankard of ale each night after closing, and in the morning it would be empty. The pub was also the venue for a UK TV investigation in 2001, where paranormal researchers claim to have identified at least 7 different ghosts. Wow, I'm surely not going there. Number 2, the El Diablo Restaurant, Spain. Imagine sitting atop an active volcano while you enjoy a classy 5-course meal. Well, the architects of the El Diablo took on the challenge to create a 9-layer basalt rock foundation to protect the Cesar Manrique designed restaurant against the still fiery volcano that lies beneath. But it is the danger that adds to the lure of the staggering views over Lanzarote's Timanfaya National Park, and the 400 centigrade heat of the lava bubbling below is set to grill the meat to perfection. Something surely worth checking out. Topping our list today at number 1, we have the Mount Huashan Tea House, China. Situated 2,160 meters above sea level on Mount Hua's most remote southern peak in Shaanxi province, China, this tea house serves one of the deadliest teas in the world. I mean literally deadly, because the journey to the restaurant is considered to be one of the most dangerous hikes in the world. At one point, the steps vanish entirely, leaving only narrow strips of wood or a couple of foot pegs and a chain. And every year, a number of hikers fall to their death while attempting the climb. Seriously, for a cup of tea? Oh my god. Have you been to any of these places? Yes? How was it? Come on, share your experiences. And if you haven't, which of these are going into your bucket list? We look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. We will of course know how much you enjoyed this video only through the number of likes and shares. So please be generous and show us your love. Do subscribe and stay simply curious.